So we are going to move to a seventh sum. Sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x is equal to sin 2x into 1 plus cos 2x. So sin 3x plus sin x plus sin 2x. First I will arrange the sin 3x and sin x first of all and put in sin 2x and backward. So what is the formula? Sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is nothing but 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here sin c is 3x, d is x. So apply here 2 sin c plus d, 3x plus x, 4x. 4x by 2 is 2x. Next cos c minus d, 3x minus x, 2x. 2x by 2 is nothing but x plus sin 2x. So here 2 sin 2x, here see sin 2x, here sin 2x. Take sin 2x outside. So what it become? 2 cos x. This is plus 1 is equal to RHS. This one is equal to sin 2x, sin 2x. 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos x plus 1. We have proved. Hence, very, very easiest sum. So, 8th sum, LHS, I take in LHS. In this LHS, what is the formula? Sin C plus sin D is the first formula I need to use. Sin C plus sin D. Cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D. Sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This formula 2 cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos C is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This is will be C, this will be D. This will be C, this will be D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2. 4x plus 2x, 6x. 6x by 2 is nothing but 3x. Next cos C minus D. 4x minus 2x, 2x. 2x by 2 is nothing but x. 2 cos C plus D. 4x plus 2 is 6x. 6x by 2 is nothing but 3x. Cos C minus D. 4x minus 2x, 2x. 2x by 2 is nothing but x. Cos x cancel. 2 gets cancelled. Sin 3x cos 3x is nothing but tan 3x is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So this is 9th sum. We will take LHS. What is LHS here? 1 plus cos 2x. Next I will arrange as some alterations. Next I will cos 6x plus cos 4x. So what is the formula I am going to use here? We know the formula. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This is the formula. If minus 1 go this way becomes cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x. Therefore cos 2x plus 1 is nothing but 2 cos square x. Here cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 into cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This is the formula. This is going to be our c. This is going to be our d. So apply here. 1 plus cos 2x is nothing but 2 cos square x plus 2 cos c plus d. 6 plus 4 10. 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is nothing but 5 cos 5x. Cos c minus d. 6x minus 4x 2x. 2x by 2 is nothing but x. If we are going to put biggest and smallest only, it will be very easy to subtract. So only. So what is common here? 2 cos x, 2 cos x, 2 cos x is common. To put 2 cos x outside. For 2 cos x removed outside, the remaining is cos x. Listen carefully. If 2 cos x moved out, the remaining is cos x. 2 cos x moved out, remaining is cos 5x. So arrange it properly. Biggest should become first. 2 cos x, cos 5x plus cos x. So once again cos c plus cos d, the same formula. This will be our c, this will be our d. So 2 cos x, open the bracket, 2 cos c plus d, 5x plus 6x nothing but 6x, 6x by 2 is nothing but 3x. Cos c minus d, 5x minus x is nothing 4x, 4x by 2, 4x by 2 is nothing but 2x. So write the answer properly. 2 2s are 4 cos x cos 2x next cos 3x is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So 10th sum to prove sin theta by 2 sin 7 theta by 2 plus sin 3 theta by 2 sin 11 theta by 2 is equal to sin 2 theta. We need to prove sin 2 theta. This is our prudeness, I think so. Sin 2 theta into sin 5 theta. Sorry, I left sin 5 theta. Sin 2 theta into sin 5 theta. This is LHS. So first arrange sin 7 theta by 2 sin theta by 2 plus arrange 11 theta by 2 and 3 theta by 2. This sin A. This will be our A. This will be our B. This will be our A, this will be our B. Both are same formula. Sin A, sin B, sin A, sin B, sin A, sin B. What is the formula? If we are going to write 1 by 2, open the bracket, cos A minus B. That is 7 theta by 2 minus theta by 2. 7 theta by 2 minus theta by 2. A minus B minus cos A plus B. What is A plus B is going to be? See here, 7 theta by 2 plus theta by 2 over this 1 by 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So once again plus 1 by 2, open the bracket, cos 11 theta by 2 minus 3 theta by 2. 11 theta by 2 minus 3 theta by 2, the same, minus cos A plus B. 11 theta by 2, 11 theta by 2 plus 3 theta by 2. We are going to see 1 by 2, open the bracket, cos 2 7 theta minus theta is nothing but 6 theta by 2. Next minus same 8 theta by 2, close the bracket, plus 1 by 2, open the bracket. What is going to be here? 11 theta, 8 theta by 2, 8 theta by 2 minus cos 11 plus 3, 14 theta by 2. Since 1 by 2 is common here, what I can take, I can 1 by 2 outside. Cos 6 theta by 2 is nothing but cos 3 theta minus here cos 4 theta. 1 by 2 I moved outside. So plus it will be a cos 4 theta minus cos 7 theta, because 14 and 2 cancel 7. This both can be cancelled. So 1 by 2, arrange it properly. Cos 3 theta minus cos 7 theta. This will be our C. This will be our D. Cos C minus cos D formula. Cos C minus cos D is nothing but 2 sin. Put 1 by 2 outside and put 2 sin C plus D. C plus D. 3 theta plus 7 theta. 10 theta. 10 theta by 2 is nothing but 5 theta. Next, sin D minus C. D minus C. 7 theta minus 3 theta. 4 theta. 4 theta by 2 is nothing but 2 theta. 2 gets cancelled. Arrange it properly. Sin 2 theta into sin 5 theta is equal to RHS. Hence proved.